Hello again, everyone. It's Vince from Trading Winds, and this is our update for October 8th, 2024. Let's take a look at how the markets did today. We did see a bit of a rebound. The Dow finishing higher by 128 points here, making back about half of yesterday's losses, and still sitting above that 20, which is positive. S&P up 55 points. Look at that, a complete reversal of yesterday, and yet another re-entry here. So this one's looking much better. And look at the NASDAQ up 300 points today, another complete 180 here. And excuse me, another re-entry. So looking pretty strong. The Russell pretty much flat, up a little less than 2 points today. Crude oil, the first significant pullback in a while, and it was a big one, down over 4% today. Not surprising that we see a pullback. Just a little surprising that it was this much, but we'll see how it does tomorrow. Gold down 24 points, so not quite below this trend line and sitting right at the 20. So now we see if it bounces here. This will be interesting. This will be another great spot to get a long entry if it can bounce from here. So we'll keep an eye on that. Silver down sharply today as well, down over $1 here and sitting below the 20 now. I mean, there's still support here, so I'm not overly concerned about this, but keeps getting rejected at this level, near 32.5. If we can overcome that at some point, that will be a big hurdle that we overcome, and no doubt, I think we'll see a significant run from there. But that level continues to be a challenge here for silver. The dollar, I mean, very, very quiet, slightly in the green here today, but pretty much flat. And the VIX finishing off at 2140. There is I should say, before I get to that, let's look at a couple that we looked at last night. NVIDIA here. And NVIDIA, as you know, broke out of that wedge yesterday. Let me draw that. There it is. My chart's a little slow to load. There it was, and we did definitely break above that high today and continue running. So there we go. Looking fantastic. And the other one was Dell Technologies, and don't think we have moved outside of that wedge just yet, but it looks like we're right there. Look at that. So keep an eye on this for a potential break as early as tomorrow. And also have a look at DoorDash here. This one is on the brink of a breakout as well. Now, it looks a little different. It's been consolidating here as we move towards that 20 after a nice run up. We do have another re-entry here as well. But when we look at the weekly or the monthly here, it puts it into perspective here. This is the level, this prior high, that we're trying to close above and follow through on. And if we do, well, I think we have a pretty clear road back to the highs. As far as resistance goes, there's very little. It continues to thin out. So we could be setting up for a run towards the high. What we need is a close above this level and then follow through. And that's what we're patiently waiting for. And, we are pretty much right there. So let's continue to watch this one.